Rwanda is a blessed country in having main population of speckled mousebird. Speckled mousebird is an environmental indicator species, stubby brownish-gray bird with a long sharp tail. It is distinguished from its other mousebird cousin through its grayish-brown crest and blackish face and can be found creeping on branches on its short legs. When flying, it flutters its wings vigorously as its tails seemingly drag him down, looking like it won't even reach the next shrub. Speckled mousebirds, also regarded as a bird-breasted mousebird, are the most typical and largest mousebird species in Africa. They got their name from their mouse-like appearance and mousy habit of screening round bushes as they forage for food. These birds are pretty gregarious, often observed in flocks foraging, bathing, or preening themselves. Speckled mousebirds are well named for their pale mouse-brown plumage on the back, head, crest. Their bill has a black upper mandible and pinkish lower part. Both of their legs are feet are of dark pinkish red tone. Adding to their mouse appearance is their long, thin tail, which is nearly half of the length of 35 centimeters. These birds are pretty light, weighing only around 57 grams. Speckled mousebirds thrive in almost any habitat except for very hot areas or rainforest. They occur in shrublands, savannas, open woodlands, bushveld, riverine woodlands. However, these birds have also found their way into urban communities, staying on orchards, parks, and gardens. Speckled mousebirds are widely spread through sub-Saharan Africa, south of Rhine from Nigeria to Ethiopia. This speckled mousebird has amazing facts. Speckled mousebirds are omnivorous that feed primarily on fruit. They forage from the middle to upper canopy, consuming berries, buds, leaves, blooms, seeds, and nectars of some plants. Occasionally, they add ants and termites for protein, and pebble and soil to assist in grinding up the vegetation they consume and for easier digestion. These birds are often seen in groups of around 20 individuals at a time. They live together throughout the year. However, their smaller groups consist of about 7 to 8 members, which are believed to be family units. They do their task communally, characterized by regular calls and perching close to one another in trees. Speckled mousebirds often subtly themselves to regulate their body temperature. They primarily feed on low-calorie food, which does not provide much energy. With that, they go into states of physical inactivity to conserve their energy. These birds have limited movements and may prefer to rest on roosted together in trees, sleeping more than other bird species would. Since these birds strive to comparatively more arid areas, they may breed anytime as long as there is enough food secure available, peaking from September to January. Their courtship antics include calling, exchanging food, cleaning and bubbling, or hopping up and down. Speckled mousebirds are monogamous, but may be helped by few helpers. Parents construct their nest in trees or bushes around 2 to 3 meters from the ground. The nest is like an open ball, which they line with stems, twigs, plants, leaves, spider webs, and even other materials such as paper, string, and cloth. Female speckled mousebird lays 2 to 3 eggs. There are instances where several females can lay their clutch in a single nest. Parents jointly incubate eggs for about 10 to 11 days. After hatching, the chicks will be able to leave the nest in 10 days and learn to fly in 18 days. Juveniles are tended to and fed by the parents and helpers for about 4 weeks after fledging. This bird has many amazing facts. I invite you to visit them, watch them carefully so that you can understand and know more about this. Thank you so much.